See the water coming from the duct where it overflowed into the return plenum 20 feet above us. I mean, that's how bad it's dripping. I mean, that's real bad. Yeah, there it is. Now you can see it. The light's in the way. See the drip? That's like a waterfall. And then not only there, it runs all the way down. Drip it right in the eye. Runs all the way down the plenum. It's destroying all these tiles. And it is just pouring into these buckets all the way down the return plenum. There's nothing I can do. It's got to just dry out naturally.